Hey everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, the ultimate channel where we ignite your passion for classic cars. If you love vintage machines, powerful engines, and the timeless beauty of American automotive history, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and stay with us till the end as we dive into another classic legend, the 1952 Ford Mainline. The year was 1952, and Ford was ready to make a strong statement. After years of post-war recovery, people were craving cars that reflected both reliability and modern design. That's when Ford introduced the Mainline, a vehicle that captured simplicity, durability, and American spirit in one perfect package. The Ford Mainline was designed to be practical yet stylish, offering drivers an affordable entry into the Ford family without compromising quality or performance. The exterior of the 1952 Ford Mainline tells a story of clean, straightforward American design. The body was sleek yet modest, featuring smooth curves, a wide chrome grille, and that classic Ford badge that still shines with pride. Its long, low profile and rounded fenders gave it a look of strength and elegance at the same time. The Mainline didn't try to be flashy, it represented the honest beauty of the early 1950s, when cars were built to last and designed to impress through simplicity. Under the hood, Ford offered the Mainline with two powerful engine choices, the dependable 215 cubic inch inline-six and the legendary 239 cubic inch Flathead V8. The Flathead engine, in particular, became a favorite among enthusiasts for its smooth performance and reliability. It delivered enough power to make the Mainline a joy to drive, whether you were cruising down Route 66 or just heading to town on a Sunday afternoon. The engine's deep rumble and strong torque were a reminder of Ford's engineering excellence. Inside, the 1952 Ford Mainline was all about function and comfort. The dashboard was clean and well organized, featuring easy-to-read gauges and a symmetrical design that made driving feel natural. The bench seats were wide and cushioned, perfect for long rides with family or friends. Even though it was Ford's entry-level model, the Mainline didn't feel cheap. Every detail, from the chrome accents to the steering wheel design, reflected Ford's commitment to craftsmanship. Driving the Ford Mainline was an experience that connected you to the road. Its smooth suspension and solid body construction made it feel steady even on rough roads. The manual transmission added to the driving excitement, giving you full control of the engine's rhythm. For many, the Mainline represented freedom, a symbol of post-war America, where families could travel, explore, and dream without limits. The 1952 Ford Mainline wasn't just a car, it was part of American history. It marked the beginning of a new era for Ford, combining practical design with performance and comfort. It became a favorite among working-class Americans, police departments, and even hot rod builders who saw its potential for modification. Today, it stands as a beloved collectible, admired for its authenticity and nostalgic charm. Every curve, every chrome line, and every sound of the 1952 Ford Mainline reminds us of a time when cars were more than transportation, they were stories on wheels. They represented hard work, style, and pride. And even after more than 70 years, the Mainline continues to earn respect from classic car lovers all around the world. So, if you ever see a 1952 Ford Mainline in person, take a moment to appreciate it. It's not just an old car, it's a piece of American heritage, preserved through time and passion. Thank you for watching this video on CarOg 765. If you enjoyed learning about the 1952 Ford Mainline, make sure to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing classic car stories. Stay tuned, because more automotive legends are coming your way. See you in the next video.